Hi, my name is Shravya Reddy Veena. Today I'm going to present on automatic chocolate vending machine. And today's we are going to discuss the steps like contents, flowcharts, hardware specification, software specification, and specification modeling of human and conclusion. And in the contents, we have the purpose, inputs, and signal events and notification and outputs and functions, design metrics and its process. And the purpose of the automatic chocolate vending machine is to sell chocolate through an ACVM from which the children can automatically purchase the chocolate. And the payment is done by inserting the coin for the appropriate amount into the coin slot. And the inputs that are required for the ACM or coins user commands. And in the signal events and notification, each port generates an interrupt on receiving coin at input. Each port interrupt starts an ISR, which increases value of amount. Each selected choice sends a notification to the system. And in the output, we have chocolate and refund and display of menu and time date and wishing messages. Wishing messages are like hi and bye. And the functions of the system. A children send command to the system using GUIS. The system insert the coin for the cost of the chocolate and the machine delivers the chocolate. If the coin are of more amount of the cost of the chocolate, the excess amount is refunded along with chocolate. USB wireless modem enable communication to ACBM owners. And in the design matrix, we have power dissipation and power deadline. Power dissipation is nothing but as required by mechanical units and display. And in the process deadline is nothing but the machine waits for the maximum time of 30 seconds for the coin, and the machine should deliver the chocolate within the 60 seconds of the time. This is nothing but the process deadline. And the next, we have the flow chart. And in the flow chart, we can see that we have coin inlet and ports and post refund, port collect, chocolate channel. And first we will start. And the diagram shows that there is into which child insert the coin for buying the chocolate. Whenever coin is inserted, a mechanism system port directs the each port of the value of port 1 or port 2 or to port 3 respectively. When the when the port is receives a coin, the port generates an interrupt. The interrupt signal sends the corresponding read port for reading the coin value at the port to increase the value of the amount. And next, the machine should have the LCD screen and touch screen and keypad. And next, the LCD message in the three lines, time and date in the right hand bottom side. ACVM has the collect ball from where the buyers collect the chocolate through the port for the deliver. And this port is called port deliver. The buyer also collect the full refund from the collect ball. It should also possible to reprogram the code in the system ROM or flash memory when we have the reasons like when the price of the chocolate increases, the message line or menus need to be changed, or the machine features to be changed, or MUC voice with the RT voice used in the ACVM. And this is the block diagram of ACVM, which has the keypad, microcontroller, LCR, LCD display, power supply, mechanical coin slaughter, chocolate channel, coins channel, and USB wireless modem. And in the software specific, these are the software specifications where message to be updated and displayed on the LCD modifications to the machine features. Inventory control is required for the vending machine. The device should verify the amount of money inserted and the item's pricing. When there is no enough money or there is no item available in the vending machine, the machine should display an error message. And this is the specification modeling. And the specification modeling, we have we have three we have three systems. They are ACVM devices, ACVM output port, ACVM task. In the ACVM devices, a device is an abstract class from which the number of external classes delivered from the device to handle ACVM mechanism. In this, it consists of the device or a keyboard, a display, wireless USB, and coin input devices. In the ACVM output port is an abstract class from which the number of external classes delivered for handling output port at ACVM. And in the ACVM tasks, we have two classes. They are ACVM system task and ACVM system ISRs. And in the ACVM system tasks, we infer that n extended classes. The tasks are from 1 to n. And the n task is ACVM range from task 1 to task n. And in the ACVM system ISRs, the expanded classes for ISR handling tasks is ACVM are ISR task 1 through ISR task n. And the ACVM hardware architecture has the following specification. They are microcontroller 8051, 64 KB RAM and 8 MB ROM, 64 KB flash memory, keypad, mechanical coin slotter, and chocolate channel, coin channel, USB wireless modem, and power supply. In this, with the version, memory and ROM larger than 64 KB are usable. 8 MB ROM for the application code and RTOS code manages takes scheduling. Stack and temporary variables are stored in 64 KB of RAM. User specifications, contact information, user data, and etc. are stored in 64 KB of flash memory that is a part of ROM. Programming the 8051 timer, T0 interrupt services routine yields a timer with a 1 second resolution. Microsecond resolution. For servicing the hardware interrupts, there are 8 hardware interrupts and 8 interrupt vectors. For the owner to retrieve the ACVM status report and to remote control the ACVM, a TCP/IP port offers internet broadband connectivity through a wireless USB modem. Here, 12 volts power supply has internal circuits has 12 volts power supply, and mechanical systems has 5 volts power supply, and 50 ampere for electronic systems. And from this, at last, we can say that the conclusion, in the result, we get a chocolate, a refund, and display of the menu for GUIS, time and date, and welcome messages. Thank you. That's all for my today's presentation.